Hello everyone, my name is Seth from 3 Topaz. Today I am going to show you my world of fractions. So let us start off with Introduction to Math. So mathematics is the science that deals with the logic of shapes, quantity, and arrangement. Math is all around us in everything we do. It is the building block for everything in our daily lives, including mobile devices, computers, software, architecture, ancient and modern, art, money, engineering, and even sports. So what is math about? What is math about? Math is about numbers, shapes, and patterns. Types of math symbols. So here you have plus, you have minus, you have divide, and you have equal. And for here is types of math. So for me, I only know one type of math. It's algebra. Algebra is like type of math. It's actually very kind of complicated to learn for in this age. But as we grow up, we'll soon learn about algebra. I think it's like standard 4 or something like that. So we're going to see some fraction examples here. So here, there's a question. What are the 4 symbols of math? Flip open the answer. Flip open the paper to see the answer. And there are lots of questions here which show many fraction examples, and there's a did you know here. So let's read it. Did you know math was discovered in over 2,500 years ago in ancient Greece? That's a really long time ago. Now let's move on to the page. What is fractions? What are fractions? Here's the meaning. A fraction is part of a whole, like it's part of a whole. And there's an example of it. There's the numerator, denominator, things like that. And there are also many other examples here. And we're going to the next page. And here is examples of fractions. So here are some pizzas. You can actually read right here, but I won't draw the line because it's like information you have to read. And there are many examples you can use, like pizzas, chocolate, paper, a cake, or like a pie. There are many other examples to use as a fraction. So I wonder what this is actually. It says open this. Oh, it's a fun fact. Oh, it's a did you know? Did you know that the most common examples of fractions are a pizza? Yes, I've seen every time people use pizzas. I've never heard anyone saying about chocolate, pies, or cakes, or even paper. Now we're going on to other examples of fractions. Here we have equivalent fractions here. Like take a simple example like 1 over 2. And the same amount, it goes to 2 over 4 because if you times 1 over 2 with 2 times, 1 times 2 is 2 and 2 times 2 is 4, which makes 2 over 4. And here we have other examples, and we have some addition of fractions. It's 4 over 10 plus 5 over 10. So actually, to plus and minus with fractions, you need the same denominator. The denominator is the down part of the fraction. It's like representing the whole thing. So if you open this, it means it's 9 out of 10. Now we're going on to this. Now we're going on to this page. And there are more questions to solve actually. If you open this, there's a guy saying, look to your left. And the left it says 10 over 10. So the question was 1.0 equals what? What fraction? And over here we have a question, and I'll give you time to answer it. Okay, if you're done answering that, let's read the did you know. So fractions are actually similar to decimals, but we just use it in a different method. Like how I just did the example here. This is a decimal, and this is a fraction. So that's why they are similar to each other. Fractions can represent decimals. Decimals can represent fractions, whatever you call it. So here we have a Q&A. Time to test what you learned. We'll save this one for later because this is a mystery. Okay, we're going to level 1. What is 5 over 10 equal to? Great job. It's 5.0. 0.5. Let's go to level 2. What is 10 over 22 plus 11 over 22? That's right. It's 21 over 22. Now for the last one, until we open this mystery paper. Level 3. This is 1 over 2 equals what over 4? Open to find out. Great job. It's 2 over 4. So now we can open what is the mystery thing right here. We're opening this in 3, 2, 1. Congratulations! You've solved all the questions. And now we can finally say the end.